Hello, happy Tuesday, happy every day. We are going to cover web authoring for data visualizations, which is free and it is done on the web, so you don't have to install software. I'm going to show you how to do it. We will start, let me log out so you can see. We're going to start on public.tableau.com/app/discover. So this is on our deck. We can copy paste this link in the chat. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and sign up for your Tableau public free account. I've already created an account, so I will log in. Once you've created your account, your landing page is visualizations of the day. It's kind of like the social media of Tableau, where you have your account, you have the visualizations you made, and then you can also favorite some, and then in your account, you can see the ones you favorited, and the ones you create, you can publish them, and other people can enjoy them or look at them or learn from them. So there's a lot to learn from, lots. For the sake of this session, we're going to go to resources, sample data. You're going to grab a data set that you want to play with. In this example, I'm going to use the generational data, millennial versus baby boomer. You have that downloaded into your downloads, and we go to create. Let me go back, create web authoring. Saw where I was on the top left, create, click web authoring. Then grab the data set, whichever one you want to play with. And in this case, we're just going to look at the data set, and we need to actually explore it. So I selected states, sheet 1. Hopefully your computers are faster than mine. Then I can pick state, see the jobs in 2013, and then broken down by generation. I'm going to ask for one map. So show me the breakdown. When I went to the top right under show me, and I selected the map chart, and it gave me this. And I can zoom in. Zoom out. I moved the columns and rows. So what do I see here? I see that the baby boomers are in blue and the millennials are in orange. And that's how they're distributed among these states. I'm going to name this generation by state. So I have a chart. Then on the bottom left, right where you saw me name generation by state on the bottom here, I'm going to create a new sheet, which is the first plus. Now we'll make another sheet. Let's look at job change by state. Split that bar chart. It's easier to see it that way. So I'll go back. We had a default view of a bar chart. And then we just went to show me, flip. Now we look at job change by state. I'm going to go down, name my sheet. And then make another sheet. We're looking at generation by state. We got job change by state. We see all the data that's in this data set, all the variables. And then we can pick percent job change. I just double click. I go to state. And we can also flip them around like this. We could flip them in the columns and rows. Show me bar chart. Highest to lowest, lowest to highest. Rename. Job change. I have 3 charts. And to make a dashboard, so there's 1, 2, 3 little tabs. In Excel, we call them tabs, and they're sheets or charts here. So on the bottom, I don't know if you can see my cursor, that's to make another sheet. And over here, we have charts. So what do we do? What can we do with charts to make a dashboard? So then we just add the sheets there. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully change the way this looks here. And we have a dashboard. Now this one is lowest to highest. Filter, meaning the user and person looking at this dashboard can now change it from lowest to highest to highest to lowest. It'll be interactive. Over here, do the same. And there we have an example of how to grab a data source, create a sheet 1, name it, sheet 2, name it, sheet 3, name it. These are sheets. And this is a dashboard. And play with the data.